Hello guys, welcome to Acnos Academy. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Yeah, so into this tutorial I'll be teaching you on how to remove footer credits, like remove the footer credits. Maybe it was installed while you were importing the content of a particular theme. You get, so how to remove the footer credits. So try to install this particular plugin called the visual footer credit remover. So install it, and once you're done installing, ensure you activate it. You get, so once you're done activating it, try to check that the plugin has been installed to the dashboard, like to your website dashboard. So once you're done, so just click on tools and you see visual footer credit remover. Click on it. Yeah, so once you click on it, so just wait for it to load. So why are we removing the footer credit? Is that it's much more like professional if you don't have, like, maybe people get to see that it was so this person who built it was, so it's very important that you remove these stuffs. You get, and very professional. So you have to look for where the footer credit is and click on it. Yeah, input your own statement. Yeah, so yeah, we'll be using copyrights and the C sign and the rest, maybe the year and the name of the brand. Do you get? So it's very important that these things are actually put in place. So once you're done, just click on save. Yeah, save and okay. So let's try to refresh and see, maybe it's maybe it works. So boom, can you see? So the footer credit is not there again. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment.